talk about grapes today. Grapes with the seeds are very nutritious. Provide a lot of nutrients in it, and we're talking about the seed. The seed itself has the nutrients in it of any fruit, okay? Particularly grape seeds. Grape seeds has potential to lower blood pressure. It increases blood flow, improves kidney function, supports collagen and bone growth, improves function in the brain as you age. So as you can see, all the nutrients are contained in the seed. All right. Grapes with seeds are the sweetest. But when you're talking about seedless grapes, all right, without the seeds, you're throwing away all the health benefits, the nutritions that I just mentioned about, that it can provide for the body. So what are seedless grapes? Seedless grapes are man-made. They basically cut the vine, dip it into a hormone that prevents the seed from growing an outer coat, a hard outer coat that you find in normal seeds, okay? Fruits with seeds, grapes with seeds, okay? Seedless grapes are cloned. Provides no nutritional value. Yes, they're convenient because you don't have to worry about swallowing the seed, chewing the seed, whatever, the problem was. But, I don't like the seeds myself per se because of chewing. The nutritional part, yes. So it's always best to buy fruit with seeds, okay? The seedless fruits have no health benefits. You maybe get a little bit of it, but not much, all right? Think about it. A lot of heart doctors or doctors in general will promote possibly drinking a glass of wine a day, and that's because of the cardiovascular support it has. It increases the blood flow. It has the potential of lowering blood pressure. But when you're talking about seedless grapes, poof, you throw all that out of the window. All right? Seedless grapes have no benefit. If you don't like the seeds, all right, pick the seeds out. Save them. Blend it up in a blender. Make, with your smoothies. All right, you're still enjoying the grape without the seeds, but later you're saving the seeds and mixing them into a smoothie and getting all the health benefits. So fruits with no seeds, or best term, seedless grapes, are cloned. They're man-made and have no nutritional value. Again, I'm Dr. Watts with DWO and the House of Wellness.